Father's Day is a special occasion to express love and gratitude to the important man in our lives. A handmade pebble painting will be a gift that is not only unique, but also filled with heartfelt emotions. Each pebble is carefully chosen and placed to create a wonderful and meaningful gift. Without further ado, let's get started on this special gift to send your loving messages to your father on this meaningful day. As with other paintings, we'll need a printed template to start. Carefully trim off the excess paper. To enhance the appearance of the frame, we'll use a suitable background frame matching the template size. Next, we'll need a wooden piece. If you can't find the desired color, you can paint it yourself. I'll guide you on how to paint it in another video, so stay tuned. And of course, we can't forget the pebbles. Prepare 4 stones of suitable sizes. Next, simply decorate according to your preferences. You can rearrange the items on the painting until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use glue to fix them in place. You can personalize every element of the design. especially the text and quote, making it a unique highlight of your gift. After waiting for the glue to dry, we'll frame the painting and complete it. And there you have it, a beautiful and meaningful painting completed. If you can't find all the materials to make it yourself, feel free to visit my store.